Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing the scooter. Place it on a center stand or use blocks so it cannot shift. Once stable, deflate the tire completely, remove the valve core so air escapes fast, which makes bead separation easier. Next, remove any axle nuts or wheel bolts with the correct 8mm or 10mm wrench. Keep fasteners organized. Make sure to note axle position and spacers. This saves time when reassembling. Now lift the wheel free, or slide it out of the forks to expose the tire. With the wheel off, break the bead by pressing the tire away from the rim using a bead breaker or a firm pry bar. Place it opposite the valve so you don't damage the valve stem. Once the bead is loose, use tire levers. Hook one under the bead and work a quarter turn, then add a second lever and walk them around the rim to lift the bead over the lip. Make sure to protect the rim with cloth and keep the tube controlled to avoid tearing. Now you can pull the tube out carefully, starting at the valve and working around the rim. Check the tire interior and tread for nails or glass so the new tube won't fail. Once clean, position rim tape and fit the new or repaired tube, inserting the valve straight through the hole to avoid stress. Seat the bead evenly, inflate to a low pressure to settle the tube, then finish to recommended PSI. Troubleshooting tip: if the bead won't seat,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.